The second home community of Lifechanyuan liberates human nature by fostering an environment that encourages spiritual and personal growth through its unique principles and practices. These include 1. Holistic values. The community emphasizes values such as respect for nature, reverence for life, and walking the path of the divine. This holistic approach nurtures a balanced and fulfilling life, free from the traditional societal pressures and constraints. 9 Source. 2. Self-realization and growth. It promotes self-awareness and personal development, guiding individuals to understand and enhance their inner qualities. This process helps in transcending base instincts and societal conditioning, leading to a more liberated and enlightened state of being. 9 Source. 9 Source. 3. Community living. By living in a close-knit community that supports mutual care and cooperation, individuals can experience a sense of belonging and collective well-being. This environment helps in reducing the ego and fostering a spirit of generosity and service source. 4. Spiritual practices. The community engages in spiritual practices that aim to purify the mind and soul. This includes meditation, contemplation, and living according to the principles of kindness, compassion, and simplicity. Such practices help individuals align with higher spiritual truths and attain inner freedom. 9 Source. 5. Innovative lifestyle. The community advocates for a lifestyle that is in harmony with nature and the cosmos. It encourages sustainable living, minimalism, and the sharing of resources, which reduces material dependency and enhances spiritual richness. 9 Source. 6. Education and awareness. Emphasizing the importance of continuous learning and self-improvement, the community provides a framework for individuals to expand their consciousness and knowledge. This education is not limited to academic knowledge, but includes life skills and spiritual wisdom. 9 Source. By integrating these elements, the second home community aims to liberate human nature from the confines of traditional societal structures and empower individuals to live more freely and authentically.